is 24 plus 5 is 29.
Oh, so it makes butane.
Yep. So 29 goes into 58 2 times. That means that the molecular formula is twice as big as the empirical formula. You see that part? That's the part that's new today. If you had Mrs. Robles last year, apparently she taught molecular formula. I don't think any of the other Chem 1 teachers did. I know I didn't last year. We've taken it out of the Chem 1 curriculum. But that's the only thing extra with molecular formula. So you do the empirical formula the whole way, divide by the lowest number of moles, get the mole ratio. But then take the molar mass and divide it into the molecule's molar mass. That you multiply 2 by 2, and you get C4H10. That's the final answer. It was butane that was burning. Or what? Oh, that's true. That's true. Yes, James. Oh, because the molar mass of the empirical formula was 29. The problem says that the molar mass of the compound that we're looking at is 58, which is twice as big as 29. So we just take the empirical and multiply through by 2. Yep. Did anybody use guess and check to figure this out? You could have used guess and check, and you would have taken a lot less time. But I didn't want you to. Here's what you would do. You know that every carbon is 12 and every hydrogen is 1. If you only have 1 carbon, that would take up 12 grams out of the 58. So that would leave, what, 46 grams of hydrogen? So your compound would be CH46. That's dumb. You can't have CH46. So if you had 2 carbons, that would take you to 24 grams. Well, the rest of it has to be hydrogen. 58 minus 24 would be how much hydrogen there is, 34. So you could have C2H34. No, it's not C2H34. So you keep going with carbons. 3 carbons would be too many hydrogens. When you get to 4 carbons, that takes up 48 grams. 58 minus 48 is 10, so that would be C4H10. That's legit, right? C4H10. But if you go to 5 carbons, that would be 60. You wouldn't be able to have it. That's over 58 in the first place, so that couldn't be. So it had to be 4 carbons. It couldn't have been 3. It couldn't have been 5. It had to be 4 carbons. So the rest of it's hydrogen. So I will warn you and caution you against guess and check. It will work for hydrocarbons only. Will not work for when you have CHs and Os. Watch out for those.